From BGC to Tagaytay. Sana nag-BT ba tayo doon?
Wala.
Kaya nga, yun nga yung naisip ko. Kita ba ako tinted ko?
Yeah, very light. Cheers!
Tulog ba? Tulog siya? Hindi naman eh. Gising siya eh.
What?
Sleepy.
Okay.
Cold.
Yeah?
But hungry.
How about you? How are you?
Very cold. I'm tired. What are we doing here? I am cute.
Uy, ang ganda ng makeup mo. Ginawa.
Diba?
Wow. Tapusin mo.
Click, share, like, share, and subscribe.
And comment down below
Comment down below
for
more videos.
like this.
Subscribe for premium content.
Ang tawag, hindi ganyan yung tawag kanina.
So, nandito po kami ngayon sa Tagaytay. Kasi, wala lang. Hindi na slay yung damit ko kasi malamig. Okay?
Oo, slow picture.
Wow.
Nagpa-pray na si Father. Welcome to the vlog. How are you feeling now?
I'm feeling so much better. Well, very full and we made himay of those vegetables.
Yeah, kuya, we made it. Hindi na tayo na-evict.
And I nominate this person, Jefferson.
Why? Why?
Hindi siya tumulong sa paghimay. It's very...
It's very
It's very...
not fun.
Ang ganda! Like, what the...
Welcome to Tagaytay, guys. Today we are at Star Mall. Got the goods. Yay. God, Patricia, you look so pretty.
Hello.
Where are we going? We're going to the state of the art. Paranaque Mall.
Oh, state of the art talaga yun?
Parang kayong bagong jowa. It's normal. Subuhan mo lang. Subuhan mo, bitch.
Starbucks naman tayo.
Yes, we're going to SB, bro.
Pardon?
SB.
Wow. Ganda ng hoodie mo talaga. Wow, ang ganda ng hoodie mo.
Yeah, it's rich boys.
I love it. So cute.
Actually, kailangan ko.
The vlog.
No. Bakit? Picture na kita dito, nang ganun.